Watch me make $30 in less than an hour with the Field Agent Side Hustle app. I have 2 stops. My first stop is Sam's Club. I have 4 $3 gigs. And then basically right across the street, I have BJ's and I have 6 gigs. Some of them are super easy. Some of them aren't so easy. I may take a little bit of time, but I'm going to shoot for less than an hour. So I'm going to screen record and you can watch exactly what I do like you're looking over my shoulder. The only thing I don't like about doing gigs at Sam's Club or BJ's or Walmart is you have to park pretty far away from the door, so it's going to cut into my hourly wage walking into the store, and it's a big store. When you have multiple gigs at such a big store, it's very important not to go walking back and forth. So get to know the store. Now, I know exactly where each one of these gigs is going to be in the store, so I'm going to walk one lap around and get all of these done and then walk out of the store. So the first one that I'm doing is for the soda. This one is kind of annoying. It's like all the soda, all the water, all the energy drinks, but this was in the far corner to the left, so I'm going to start here. So you have to take a nice clear picture straight on, make sure your camera lens isn't blurry, and then get a picture of each pallet. So it either asks for a 4-foot section, or in these club stores, it's going to ask for a pallet. So get the pallet in the middle of the frame. Don't overlap too much with the other pallets, and make sure you get that price tag that is above it. And now I'm doing like a side step. I'm taking these pictures as I walk. Just make sure none of them come out blurry. So even though it seems like there's a whole lot of pictures, it goes really fast. It takes just as long as it does to walk down the aisle. So don't get overwhelmed. So I'm getting all of these Coke products. So in these shelf view gigs, after you're done with the aisle pictures, it's going to ask for a display. So there was just one display over there. Now I'm heading to the other section, and then there was another display over there. Just make sure you don't miss any displays. Now the next question is the energy drinks. So it's the same thing, picture of the aisle. I'm going to speed it up, and that's basically how this one went. It was all beverages. So let's go to the next one. Next one was the cereal. It's pretty repetitive, so I'm going to skip through a lot. There was just one key thing I wanted to show you with this gig. As I was walking to the cereal aisle, I saw the display, and I knew that they were going to ask me for a display picture next. So instead of walking past it, you could actually skip to the next question in the app, go forward, and then go back. And then now I'm doing the shelf view part, and I already did the display, so I can continue. It's a good way to save time. Just make sure you don't miss anything. So it's just a whole thing of the cereal, and then hot cereal, which is like one picture of oatmeal, and then breakfast bars. Still super easy. I'm hitting like the 20-minute mark. Now, the last one I did at this store was for like the medications, like vitamins and supplements, cough medicine, digestive stuff. So it was pretty easy. This one took about like 10 minutes to do, and this was towards the exit of the store. So I finished this one and then wrapped it up. So far, it took me about like 30 minutes. So let's go back to the car, regroup, and head to the next stop where we have 6 gigs. So that took a lot longer than I would have liked. It took about a half an hour to make $12, so $24 an hour. I still have the other one at BJ's, and that's 6 gigs. This was only 4 gigs. The thing is with BJ's, that it's usually a little bit quicker. They usually have less stuff. Keep in mind when you do if you plan on doing the Field Agent Side Hustle, that some gigs are going to be just walk in the store and take a picture, like one picture. If you're passing by, it's basically free money. These ones were not like that. The same gig at Family Dollar or Dollar Tree or CVS would have took like 2 minutes, but because it's such a big warehouse store, they have so many different products, so it's going to take longer, but still $24 an hour isn't bad for doing side hustles. So let's go to BJ's. It's less than a mile away, about half a mile, and then we'll do these 6 and see if I can make it. I got about 28 minutes to hit that 1 hour mark. So I pulled up to BJ's and got started. BJ's was definitely a lot easier. There was this one with the herbs and spices, which was pretty fun. It was just sauces, barbecue sauce and stuff, herbs and spices. This one also had the beverage one, which took kind of forever. It had soft drinks, and it had one for juice, which I had to walk to the coolers, walk back. So it was a lot of work. But I got it done, and it was really down to the wire. When I was finishing up the 6th gig at this store, it was about 1:30 and I started at 12:36. So I was hurrying up, going really fast. I really hope I didn't get any blurry pictures and got anything denied. But it went pretty well. So now let's go back to the car, see if we made the time, and then go home finally. So I made it just in time for 12:36. I actually started at 11:36, so perfect. And there it is. 10 gigs. It took me exactly an hour. I didn't think I was going to make it. Some of them took forever. It was a lot of work, but $30 an hour is pretty good. So click the link down below to sign up for Field Agent and start making money today.